Whether you're hosting Christmas or heading to a party, one thing I know is you need a lot of great salad ideas up your sleeve. Here's one thing everyone will love. It's my asparagus, snow pea and Wombok salad. It's an Asian-inspired take on the classic veggie slaw. So it's got freshness, it's got crunch, and it's got a dressing that will blow your mind. It's packed with flavour. Let's start on the dressing. Okay, it's an Asian-style dressing, but very, very easy to make. All you need is to get that right balance of sweet, salty and tangy flavour. Grab a bowl and then you add a little bit of soy, a little white sugar, some lime zest and some lime juice, and then you just whisk. And all you're really trying to do is to dissolve the sugar. You can smell that freshness instantly. It's really cool. Then you mix in your shallots and your lemongrass. Now the key to this is you wait about 10 minutes to develop all those flavours. There's a little mingling going on right now, and then you taste it and you adjust the seasoning if required. But that is going to be delicious. Now, when you're ready, grab yourself a large bowl, and then throw all the ingredients in. I've got wombok, some beautiful carrots, asparagus, some snow peas, some cucumber, and then of course the tomatoes. Add in about 3/4 of the herbs. You've got that beautiful coriander and also the mint. Reserving just a little bit for later on. I love this, it's almost falling out of my bowl. There's an absolute abundance of fresh ingredients. And then about half of the peanuts. Give it a toss, right? Now you don't want to bruise all of those ingredients, so just get down and just gently lift it up and toss it around. All right, now you've mixed all the salad, taste the dressing. Oh yeah, wow. It's salty, it's sour, it's sweet. It's got all these incredible flavors. You're gonna just love this dressing, I promise you. I'm gonna add just the littlest bit of salt, and you're gonna add 3/4 of a cup to the salad. Give it a toss. All right, it's time to plate up. Now here's a little tip. If you chill the platter in the fridge, it'll help the salad stay cool and fresh while it's on the table. Arrange the salad on the platter, and then we're just gonna sprinkle all of those excess herbs and nuts all over the top. And you've got such a delicious salad. Now, of course, if you want to omit the peanuts, then it's going to be nut-free. And it's a very versatile salad. You could add some prawns, you could add some chicken, and that would also be really beautiful. I serve the rest of the dressing on the side because then people can add a little more if they like. But I've got to say, it's a really fresh salad that packs a real punch. I reckon this salad is something special. It's so fresh, it has so much flavour. It's great for a barbecue or with a roast, and it takes about 30 minutes. No cooking needed. Want more salad recipes? Click here for our best ever salads and light meals playlist.